Hello, how do I manage trades without using complex tools? You can use spreadsheets to manage your trade. You can have a spreadsheet of your watch list of stocks that works well with the strategy you are using to trade them. And when you purchase a stock, is in your portfolio, you can highlight the cell that stock is in. That way, when you are analyzing your stocks, you know stocks you purchased already and stocks you have not purchased yet. And when you sell a stock, you can remove the highlight from that cell. That way, you know that it went back in the pool of stocks available for you to buy, or stocks that are not in your portfolio yet. You can pull your account history, your transactions every month, and you can have a spreadsheet of those. That way you can have it by the month as well. And here, using format as a table, you can pretty much, turn it into a table. You can even do pivot table if you know how to do that. Otherwise, you can select your transaction and format it as a table. That way you can, select what you want to see, just what you want to see, or just have it like this, simple, the way you download it and look at it and transfer that to manually enter those stocks you purchase in your spreadsheet to record, keep them. By recording what you purchase on one side of the spreadsheet, and when you sold it, you record how much you sold it for and calculate the difference between how much you sold it for and how much you purchased it to find the profit. And you can even take that profit divided by how much you bought it for to determine your profit rate. Those are the simplest way I manage my trade. Have a spreadsheet to do my record keeping, and from there, again, using account history to pull all the different transactions of the month, and having a list of stocks that are swing trade from. And as you analyze stocks, if a stock is well positioned for you to buy, you can highlight, you can, turn the color to red of those stocks, the font to a different color, so that quickly during the week, as you go through your list, you know stocks that are well positioned for you to buy, or they are close to where you want to buy them. That way, those are the only stocks you will analyze during the week. And over the weekend, you can analyze the whole list depending on the strategy you are using. For long option and swing trading strategy, for this year, I tend to have a long list, over 100 list of stocks, a list of over 100 stocks, and I like to analyze them during the weekend and change the font of stocks that are close to where I want to buy them. That way, those are the stocks that I will analyze during the week to see, yes, if I want to buy them or not, and so forth. And once I purchase it, I will highlight the cell for that and change the font back to black. And if there is a stock that I sold, I can remove the cell highlights out of there as well. And later, when I pull my account transactions to the transaction spreadsheet, I can use that to do my record keeping. And again, using Thinkorswim platform, which is free. If you have ChartSwap account, use that to do your chart analysis. to buy and sell stocks. Have you found a simple way to manage your trade? Let's analyze as of July 21, 2026. Let's analyze LNT, if I can find it. And we are maximum daily chart here. So when we are looking at LNT, it's close to all-time highest price than it is to the valley. So therefore, it's more on the selling zone than it is on the buying zone for me. And it has been climbing up. It reached all-time highest price in 2025, beginning of 2025. We have the date on the x-axis from the past to the present, and the price on the y-axis from $0 up. So around February 2025, and it has been on that rise for over a year now. So it's nowhere near where we want to buy it just yet. We are going to keep observing it. In fact, LNT is Alliant Energy, and that is the gas company that serves our area. I might have known that maybe in the past, but for 2026 that I put it on my watch list, I didn't even know what it is, because I don't really pay attention to. I don't try to know what the stock is about. I just swing trade them, analyzing their chart. I analyze those companies through their charts, and it takes a while for me to actually ask myself what that company does anyway, before I will try to know more about it. And I have those information again on the watch list by having the name, where it's traded, the sector, the industry, and the sub-industry. So thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. Thank you for all of your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi, and on our channel we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could allow you to create another stream of income. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just swing trade in my husband and I joint account, pursuing our goal of financial independence. And I like to share what is working for us, what is not working here with you, so that if you find some tips useful, you can customize them to fit your personality type, your risk tolerance, and use them in your own financial success journey. But you will please proceed with caution. For more videos in this series, will please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using Long Uptrend Lines in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store, Liberman.com. If you are looking for cloth napkins, will you please check our online store, Liberman.com. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.